Alright guys, welcome back to Self Vanessa Couponing. We are here at Family Dollar today to do an all digital scenario, 5 off of 25. We brought the little one with us today. Decided to hang with mom and coupon. So let's get in here and get this 5 off of 25 deal going. Alright guys, here we are in Family Dollar. We're gonna head back to the laundry detergent. Child's already making a mess in the store. Alright. We're going to go after our first item, which will be Tide Simply. Let's hope that the coronavirus hasn't affected the laundry detergents.
My first
Alright.
those type of things, shopping carts. And then we'll work on them.
Alright guys, so we do need Tide Pods. They are $4.95. Stop.
I'll shoot you guys a group text.
And then there is a digital coupon for these.
But until then, I just don't want to put in a bunch of handwritten.
Alright guys, so we're going to get a thing of Tide Simply. It's $3.50, and there's a digital coupon for this as well.
Alright, appreciate it.
And they don't ever have the Tide Simply Pods, which is great.
That's not me.
So we're gonna have to get the Gain. Alright guys, so instead of Tide Simply Pods, because my store doesn't ever have them, we're gonna get the Gain Pods, which are $3.95, and there's a digital coupon for $1 off. So we're going to get these and add them to our carts. Hey guys, and then we're also going to get a 40 ounce of Gain. Miana, bring that cart back here. Child's running off with my buggy. Which is on sale for $3.95, and there's a $1 off coupon. So we're going to get this as well. Alright, off to the next aisle.
Can I get Carmelo?
Alright guys, so we're going to get 2 Dove deodorants. They are $1, and we are going to get 2 of them.
Hey Google.
Alright, and then since we're over here, we're going to get 1 U by Kotex liners. They are $3.25, and we also have a digital coupon for that. Guys, so we are going to get 1 Bic Silky Touch. That are $3.25. There's a digital coupon for that as well. And then we need 1 Bic Comfort 3. And then let me show you guys on the app so you guys can see how to price check and make sure that there is a coupon for the item that you're looking for. So this is the Family Dollar app, once it focuses. So what you can do is tap this button right here in the top left corner. And then get your item. And you can scan it with your phone. And it will pop up. There's save $2 on any 1 Bic single blade, twin blade, Bic Comfort 3 or Bic 3 disposable razor pack. So I'm going to do a quick overview of everything in our cart.
I think they love me in the video, man.
So we have 1 Gain laundry detergent 40 ounce for $3.95. There's a $1 digital for that. 1 Tide Simply, that is $2.95, and there is a $1 digital coupon for that. Instead of the Tide Simply pods, we're going to get the Gain Flings. They are $3.95, and there's a $1 digital for that. Bic Silky Touch razors, there's a $2 digital for it. 1 Bic Comfort 3, there's a $2 digital for that. 2 $1 Suave deodorants, there's a save $2 when you spend $2, so these are completely free. The Tide Pods, they are $4.95, and there's a $2 digital for that. And then 1 U Barely There Kotex liners. There are $3.25 and there's a $1 digital for that. So here's a brief overview of everything that we have in our cart. Let's get up to the register and see our savings.
Just gonna put the phone number there.
I will.
I'm gonna record what it goes to before it get the coupon total in. I know what she said. All right, $29.73. Don't get me in here.
I'm not.
I don't.
I got you. I got
I
you.
want to be on.
Alright guys, as you can see, my total came out to $13.80. That was before Illinois decided to dip their hands in my cookie pot and steal. But total of 9 items for $13.80. The total was $30 prior to coupons. As you can see, all the digitals came off with no problems. We did have to substitute some things. I'm going to insert the screenshot of the original one, which is why my total is way off. But for $13.80, I am not complaining at all, because if you add all this up, there's not, and my digital for the game did not come off neither. So that's where we hit that bump in the road at. But make sure that you guys have the game coupon on your account. I don't know why mine didn't come off. But yeah, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button to keep seeing videos.